All right, just gonna do a little research on this move that we had today. You notice this is the last swing that we've had, and that is a big move. And we're just gonna look at a couple things on it. I hope I don't bore you to death with all this. All right, so we can see where this can come down in and attach, bounce off of this line. So far, it's intact, no problem. We have a very large pattern. I'm gonna put this on here and match it up, and oh, look at that. Just absolutely perfect to the ABCD pattern into the 100. That's part of the reason why it can come back down. We also had a reversal pattern that was very specific, and we called it out last Friday and explained that this is what would happen today. Most likely have a pullback. Now we've got to figure out, well, where's it going? Several things to look at that we can look at on here. If we can do this, see if I can make sure you can see this. If we take each one of these moves, this comes back to the 5-0. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. This one comes back to the 382. This one comes back to almost 618. Pretty close. And let's see. We'll do this one just because it's there and fits. 786. It's really not exactly the way we would do it. But we want to draw from this one to here. We see the 382. Come off of this low here to that high there. We see the 5-0. See this one here. Let's see, what is that? The almost 786. That was a pretty deep move down. So we want to keep that one in mind. That one goes to the 5-0. Those are retracement, 50% retracement. This one is a 50% retracement. And this one, I believe, is a 618. Oh, I'm sorry, right there. Okay, that's a 5-0. And then this one here. That is 618. Okay, so that's the movement we have on it. We've had a really large ABCD pattern up, and we expect some kind of stall reversal. But notice this is a daily chart. Notice all the way up, every time we have a move up, a retracement, we never take the previous pivot out. We never took the previous pivot out. This one came close, but it didn't do it. We did not take the previous pivot out. We did not take the previous, did not take the previous, did not take the previous, did not take the previous. This one also has not taken previous. Until we start taking out a previous, it's Dow theory, until we start taking out a previous movement, we don't expect it to be a reversal yet. We can have a pretty nice pullback. Now we had this pullback here. Let's see how this compares if we can compare this. See if we can get a little bit of a feel for it. We'll take this one here. And that's the 113, I believe. Yeah, 113. That's an acceptable area for it to come back within the range. We'll remove that one. This one was a deeper one. And that one hasn't done it yet. This could certainly come all the way down to this 100 here, even to the 113, and still not take out the bottom here, which this is a pattern that can certainly go down, can go deeper. That would not be surprising at all. Had a really nice bounce today, but that can certainly drop down. Alright, this is 7/19/2021. It's 6:45 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to stop this video and take another section to it so it won't be super long.